It's all official. Samsung was eagerly waiting for the year of 2024 to kick off so that they can officially reveal what's coming at the Unpacked event on January 17th. First up, the official Galaxy S24 reservation is now live on Samsung's website. Link is down below in the description. Just for reserving, you're gonna get $50 discount, so I highly recommend you guys check this out. As you can see by Samsung's marketing, it's all about Galaxy AI. Not just this, Samsung has also officially cleared two of the biggest doubts that people have regarding the S24 series and the S24 Ultra. First question, do you have to pay for Galaxy AI? And the answer to that question is no. I don't know who started that rumor, but pretty much Samsung has confirmed that all you need is an internet connection as well as a Samsung and Google account. Not all Galaxy AI features will require internet connectivity, so some of these will work offline. This is absolutely perfect because pretty much everyone owns a Google and Samsung account. The other major concern is regarding the zoom, and well, as you can read by Samsung's tagline, zoom with Galaxy AI is coming, where they are teasing the low light zoom capability of the S24 Ultra, meaning zoom has actually been upgraded compared to the S23 Ultra despite having a 5x sensor but with a bigger sensor size and slightly larger aperture. Combine the sensor specs with the new magic of Galaxy AI, Samsung will cook us a better zoom image performance than the S23 Ultra or any of the Galaxy S flagship phones before. Of course, we'll have to wait and see how much the difference really is in real life once the phone is officially out. Now, as I said, just for reserving the phone by using the link in the description, you get $50 Samsung credit. And if you do decide to pre-order, there's going to be quite a lot of benefits. Apparently, for those who pre-order any of the S24 model, will get a free storage upgrade. For example, you can get a 512GB Galaxy S24 Ultra for the price of 256GB model. I personally experienced this last time in the UK when ordering the S23 Ultra, with additional offer of free Galaxy Buds. And finally, Samsung is aiming to ship these phones as soon as possible to the pre-order customers. They also included free Samsung Care Plus last year, so hopefully that will be present as well. And last but not the least, excellent trade-in options for the older Galaxy flagship users. Let me know what you think about Samsung's offers in the comment section below. Now, coming back to the actual teaser, like I said, Samsung is going all in on the Galaxy AI. Features like live translate and being able to use the Galaxy AI to edit images. But something we didn't know is how much the Galaxy AI will be involved in the process of zooming. We're definitely in for a major surprise. And finally, I have to say Samsung's Unpacked teaser is actually pretty damn good. They have highlighted all the prime features of the previous Galaxy S flagship phones to build the ultimate excitement for the next Galaxy S24 series. This is actually quite innovative because unlike Google, Samsung is truly going all out with the AI features. Like, the whole event is all about Galaxy AI. That's all for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.